Immaculate UFC 18802. This is not a random hit, but it is a random serial number. You'll get a number from 1 to 49, and then that'll just be doubled again. Here we go. Good luck to all. 5 times. Let's do it. So what we do is we copy that, randomize this list 5 times. Here we go. Oh, sorry. What was that? Randomizing compact through cards while some of us. Oh, well, you've got me back now, so that's all good. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 and 5. All the cards in spot 1 go to Matthew Bergen. All the cards in spot 49 go to Matthew Bergen. That's 5 times. And that should be 98. And then if there's anything just so happen to be numbered 99 of, it'll be randomized between everyone, obviously. Yeah. Right, here we go. We got the close-up zoom because you're going to need to see the numbers. Evening, Dwayno. Of course, we got more gem. I don't know how much we've seen of gem. Ah, that's what that is. And there's another 8er. All right, cool. Oh, boy. Big card. Big cards. Up first, and this is even hard to see from me just sitting here. There it is. It is 3 of 30. 0-3 of 30. Hamzat. Yeah. Matthew Bergen. That's a really nice card. We follow that up, numbered. It's 52. 52 of 99. It's a Rob Font. 52 is Matthew Bergen. Funnily enough, that is also the 3 spot. Up next, numbered 18 of 99, Randy Brown. I know Randy Brown. Matthew Bergen. Oh, boy. This is just turning into a personal for Matthew. Oofed. Oos. 15 to 99, Alexa Grasso. 15 is, you guessed it, Matthew Bergen. He's all over this break. Oh, boy. Next card goes crazy. 2 of 2. Sean Strickland. Oh, that's so nice. Big old fighter-worn patch for spot 2, which is Richard Toome. We're rolling here. Numbered. No, this is actually an amazing product. What the hell? 92 of 99, Uriah Faber. 92 is Levi Silly. Numbered. 24 of 25, Aljo Sterling. Spot 24, Shane Nielsen Masters. And finally, Marks of Greatness, Mohamed Makiev autograph. And that's a redemption, so we're going to randomize this between everybody. Someone in this break is walking away with it. Good luck to all. We'll say 6 times down there. The winner is Matthew Bergen. 6 times. Matthew Bergen on top. He's cleaned that one up. And that is Immaculate UFC 18802.